Hey guys, quick overview on the Victorian Santa snow globe. This is new for 2020. So let's just go through. This is layered. This has a glass and snow overlay right here, as you can see when I click it on and off. And then for your picture, you can just, and I already did this, but I'm in the newest version of Photoshop. So I'm going to click on my select tool here. I'm going to hit select subject.
Hello.
Okay. And then I'm going to hit select and mask. My preferences for select and mask are a feather of around 2. And then I put it on a new layer with a layer mask down here. Here, depending on yours, you can use your refine tool right here and just go around the edges if you want. I mean, if it's necessary, and let the system refine the edges and make it a nicer selection. And then here, if your select subject doesn't select all the way, that you can add back to your selection by choosing the select tool here with the plus and then add it back in that way. So then you hit OK, you hit right click, duplicate layer to the snow globe, and then you'll see here your copy will have something that says place pick here. This is if you want to copy and paste. This doesn't matter. I'm just showing you where it needs to be because there is this glass and snow overlay here for you to help blend. So then Control T, and then you can just resize your subjects to go fit inside the globe. And now there's a white snow layer in there. So you can blend. So click your layer here and get a black brush. And then you just mask out anything that's left over the edges. And then also, like with a soft brush, just go over his thumbs to make sure they're not blending in over the thumbs. And then I always like to, this edge here, round it out because reflections and stuff would kind of distort that view. And you can soften this part down here, like I said, with the black brush and make it look like flowing snow. Or you can just grab a white brush yourself and blend even more if you like by just painting in a snow layer over their feet to help blend it all in. And then here's the glass and snow layer that goes over. And you'll see that it just helps. It adds that snow in front of them. It adds that white snow layer here. And you can go in, this is just for your convenience. You can go in, you can turn it off if you don't want the snow. This is the reflection part. You can turn it off or on, or you can change the opacity if you want. And then here's the white snow on the bottom. And again, you can add to it if you like, and you can take away from it. It's just there to help get you started on blending. And that is it. Now, let's say you don't want to cut your subjects out. So I'm going to delete the layer mask here, and I'm just going to add a mask layer to them. And then I'm going to Control I to invert the mask. And then at 100%, you can just paint them into the scene this way, just if you want the background to be a part of it or you want the whole image to be a part of it. And then from there, you could keep it just like this if that's how you like it. Again, this is all your preference. That's what art's all about. It's what you like. And you can also go back into the mask and reduce your opacity of your brush tool and then like just blend the background slowly, just take it away a little bit. As you see, I'm blending that blue in that way. And that way it just seems to have like a gradient fill into the globe. So there are 2 different ways that you can do it, and it's super simple. And I hope you like this Victorian Santa this year. And as always, until next time, stay enchanted.